Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here, and thank you for coming back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. So it's fall, yay, my favorite season. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite patterns. I'm going to try everything on that I've made thus far. I'm going to tell you about the fabrics I chose, why I chose certain patterns or certain colors, and just kind of go over what I love. So definitely join me for that. Go ahead and get comfortable and let's get into it. And if you like this video, give me a like down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you do. That way you can make sure that you know every time that I post a video and we can hang out. All right, let's get into it, guys. All right, you guys, so this is one of the things I made this fall. This nice cute skirt with this fall floral pattern, and I paired it with just this white bodysuit and a jean jacket, and I think it's just so cute. Had some issues sewing the zipper in, but after a lot of, well, not a lot, but after some trial and error, I finally got it to go my way. And yeah, it's just this fun, flowy skirt. And like I said, I'll link all the patterns below in the description bar. Yeah, so that's one of my favorite skirts that I've made. Lord, my legs are looking a little ashy. Let me put on some lotion, y'all. All right, y'all. Next up are these cute plaid printed pants that I made. Now, to be honest with you, my plaids, I didn't match them. And at first I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't match my plaids. This is a disaster. But I actually like how it turned out because it kind of looks like it was intentional. And so it's kind of like a cool offset pattern thing, which I actually like. So these pants are so comfortable. They have an elastic waistband and then elastic at the cuff to create that tapered look. They feel like pajama pants, like literally, but I can wear them with heels or like a nice shirt, well, or this shirt. But basically they're like a dressy pant, and they have a pocket too. Like after I made these pants, I felt completely different about making pants in general because this pattern was so quick and easy. So those are the pants. Just give you a look. And the fit is amazing on these. I love them. I plan to make these again in different colors and different fabrics for fall and winter because they're just amazing pants. Y'all have got to make these. Okay, so I almost forgot. I had some extra fabric left over, and I just made like a scarf. So I'm not the best at tying scarves. I probably need to Google or YouTube like some scarf tying videos. But you know, that's just like, I guess, a basic scarf tie. But yeah, I love how that turned out. I didn't use a pattern. I just kind of winged it. Yeah. And made this nice cute scarf to match with the pants. I don't know if it's too matchy to go together, but I definitely wear it separately. But yeah, that's my scarf. Okay, so this is my next make that I did this fall. This is like a cheetah leopard print skirt that I made. It actually didn't come from a pattern. This was actually like a make your own measurement pattern type of thing. But I love how it turned out. Initially it did not have a slit on the side, but I love a good slit always, so I added a slit here. And then just the comfort of this fabric, it's lightweight, but it's very sturdy. So I just love, I don't remember, I think I got it on Etsy. But yeah, I just love the fit of it. It has a zipper in the back. And then I just paired it with this black bodysuit because I love a good bodysuit. Just the way that you're able to like tuck it down into skirts and things and really show the waist of your pants or your skirt. I just love. So that's my skirt. So my next make was this pant. This is a Vogue pattern, and I love everything like military inspired. So these to me, like the olive drab green colored fabric. I think it's a garbadine fabric, but I just love how it's draped. I love the pleats here, the pleating, and I like how they hit on the leg. You can wear it with like a boot or a bootie, and there's a zipper on this one as well. And then I thought the fit of these was nice also. And then I wanted to pair it. Of course, I have on another bodysuit, which I love, and then paired it with like this black, I guess it's more like a faux leather biker jacket. And get it on. There we go. So I thought that was a cute look for fall to wear. And then you could probably add like a belt if you wanted to, just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Or you could even just wear the jacket like over your shoulders like that. So yeah, love these pants.